If you're looking to promote affiliate links with GetResponse, you're in the right place. This video will show you how to maximize its potential, and stick around to the end because we'll reveal a major competitor that might just be better for your affiliate marketing goals with an exclusive free trial you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to create an account with GetResponse. The platform has an easy setup process, and once you're in, you can start building your email list. You'll need that list to send affiliate links to your subscribers. Building a quality email list should be your top priority, as it's the foundation of all affiliate marketing efforts. Next thing, GetResponse offers a drag-and-drop email builder that's perfect for creating eye-catching newsletters. You can easily add affiliate links within your emails, but make sure they're relevant to your audience. It's critical to balance valuable content with promotional offers. Overloading emails with affiliate links can push subscribers away, so keep it focused on providing value. The third thing you should know is about automation. GetResponse's automation features are incredibly useful for promoting affiliate links. You can set up automated email sequences that target subscribers based on their behavior. This is where you can really start to scale your affiliate marketing efforts, as automation frees up time while targeting your audience effectively. Next, let's talk about landing pages. With GetResponse, you can create custom landing pages that promote your affiliate products directly. These pages are essential because they help convert your email traffic into sales. Make sure your landing pages are clear, concise, and focused on the affiliate product's value. GetResponse provides templates, so creating a high-converting page is quick and easy. Now, let's mention analytics. GetResponse gives you robust data on your campaigns, including open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. These insights allow you to optimize your email marketing strategy to improve the performance of your affiliate links over time. The fifth thing you'll want to consider is A/B testing. GetResponse allows you to test different subject lines, content, and call-to-action buttons to find what works best for your audience. Testing is key to improving your results and driving more affiliate sales. But here's the catch. While GetResponse is a solid option for promoting affiliate links, it's not perfect. The platform can be a bit slow to load at times, and the email templates, while functional, aren't as customizable as some of the competition. Plus, the pricing structure can be a bit steep for those just starting with affiliate marketing. That leads us to the last thing. There's a competitor that offers a more streamlined approach for affiliate marketers, ActiveCampaign. It has more advanced automation features and offers better customization for landing pages. ActiveCampaign can often be a better fit for those looking to optimize their affiliate marketing efforts. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that if you want to try GetResponse, we've got an exclusive extended free trial available through the link in the description. But remember, I've also included some amazing alternatives that might work even better for your affiliate marketing needs, and they come with their own free trials. Click the link below to start with GetResponse or explore these other great options for a better affiliate marketing experience. Don't miss out.